Hi there, and welcome to I Create Stories for Kids. This is an introduction to the workshop. I go by the name of Dala, also known as Miss Shelley. I am absolutely thrilled to have you join my workshop. I am a passionate creator who specializes in crafting amazing stories through creative writing, short fiction, and radio plays. My main goal is to provide a fun, helpful, and inspiring experience for kids, allowing them to unleash their creative potential. Here's a little about my background. I have spent over 25 years working with children and have recently ventured into teaching creative arts. Having already taught more than 100 kids in person, I am super excited to announce that I am now bringing my creative arts workshops online for the first time. I can't wait to offer you all an unforgettable experience. So let's dive right in.